Hi, my name is Matt. I'm a nurse practitioner and clinical educator here at Echonos. I'm going to show you how to use the Auto Doppler feature on the Kosmos Torso 1 probe. Auto Doppler will automatically place the sample gate in the correct location for desired cardiac valve. It can be used for both TDI and pulse wave Doppler. For pulse wave Doppler, Auto Doppler can be directed to place the sample gates at the left ventricular outflow tract, the mitral valve, pulmonary valve, and tricuspid valve. For TDI, Auto Doppler can be directed to place the sample gate at the mitral valve septal or lateral annulus, as well as the tricuspid valve annulus. Before scanning, you'll need to make sure you have enabled Auto Doppler. To do this, go to Settings, tap on Imaging Preferences, and then Auto Functionality and confirm Auto Doppler is toggled on. Now that it's enabled, here's an example of how Auto Doppler helps you complete a VTI calculation using PW Doppler in the apical view. Using the Torso 1 probe, select the Heart preset to begin scanning. Obtain your desired cardiac view in 2D mode. Select the valve you're interested in interrogating from the table on the left side of your screen. Let's tap on Mitral Valve. Auto Doppler will place the sample gate, activate PW, and automatically adjust the baseline. You do have the option to adjust the sample gate placement if you disagree with the placement by the Auto Doppler. Once you have your desired waveform, freeze the image. From the menu, select your valve of interest with VTI. Complete your calculations, then save your work by tapping the camera button in the lower left of the screen. Find additional information in the Kosmos user guide at echonos.com or reach out to your local Kosmos representative. We are here to help.